What's up everyone, I'm Zach Oldshafer, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to replace the joystick on an Xbox One controller. If you need help taking apart your controller, I'll pop a video up right in the corner here. You can click on that and then come back to this once you take your controller apart. So we're going to need a soldering iron, we're going to need some solder wire. This one is 0.3 millimeters, so really small, really thin. You can barely see that. Going to need some flux paste. You could use any kind, I'm just using this one. And then some desoldering wire or a wick. First off, we're gonna get our soldering wire right here. Now, just gonna add some solder to all of this, just so that it's the easier melting one. This one melts like almost instantly. We're just gonna add it to every point on here. Almost got all of them now. Just got a couple more to do. And these last two over here. And the last one right here. Switch it over to the desoldering wick. Just gonna pop some flux on here. Actually, I'm gonna just try to get all these at once. Let's just keep going all around. Just gonna add some more solder just so there's a little bit more to pick up on. Okay. Just testing them each now to see if they're loose. Those are all loose now. Check these bottom ones here. That one's loose, that one isn't. Okay, so I finally got all of the pins I think loosened. Let's just go through, double check. So we got that one's loose, that one isn't, that one's not, that one is, that one is, that one is, that one's not, that one is, that one's good, these are all good. Okay. Okay. I think we finally got all these loosened now. Just get this taken off of here and it pops right on out, just like that. So now, got this on out of here. We have the blank board. Go along this and just clean it up, any remaining solder. Just go on through, get it all picked up. So it's nice and flat when we put the new one on. Okay, so let's see, how does this go? I believe it goes this way. On this side though, obviously. Oh wait, no, opposite. Let's see. I'm gonna clean this off obviously first. You guys a good angle on this? I think I found the issue. This pin right here is bent a little bit. Okay, so that's in there now, and it does fit. So I'm gonna take this out now and clean it on up. Clean this side too. Okay, so we got the new joystick right here, and we're gonna pop this in here, and we're gonna get the solder together. So just get this. Okay, got that all popped into place. You don't want to try to rush it. You want to just get it and make sure that it's all in without breaking. Make sure it's flat to the board. That it's all connected. Okay, just gonna wipe this off again with isopropyl alcohol. And every pin on there is stuck in there. Just test a couple of these. Doesn't move, doesn't move. Seems like they're all pretty solid in there. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video. That is how you take off and reinstall a new joystick for your Xbox One controller. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you. And subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Stay blessed.